Firstly, we can eliminate few of the choices according to the blank and theme of the passage. The passage does not give any idea of the emotional facts of a spider, and so sullen or morose, which means gloomy, depressed, or ill-tempered issue, can be regarded as incorrect answer. The passage deals with the way spiders build. So choice C and E are to be eliminated. Giddy or light-headed means a DG condition, and here, on the other hand, works as a detour sign which denotes that spider does not have any DZ condition. While they are highly geometric in web design, then when they are high on drugs. As sober and teetotal both mean choosing or characterized by abstinence from alcohol. So the correct answers are choice D and choice F, and choice A and B are to be eliminated along with choice C and choice E.